Your roof is a very important part of your home. It helps to keep the elements out. It keeps the home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It can even keep water out so that your attic and any of your possessions do not get ruined by the rain. Your roof is even responsible for the outward appearance of your home. When you encounter roof damage from the wind, hail, or another big storm, it can spell disaster for your home. Big storms are often a major culprit to damage in the roof, especially roof hail damage. When dealing with a big hailstorm, it is always a good idea to check the integrity of your roof when it is over. Even smaller pieces of hail can leave dents in your roof and can require you to replace some shingles. The older your roof is, the more likely it is to experience damage from the weather and the elements. Roofs that are only a few years old can often go through a hailstorm or other big weather event and barely need more than a few shingles replaced. But if you have an older roof, you may find more damage even after a smaller storm. Leaving roof hail damage or other roof damage for too long can erode at your roof and cause damage to external parts of your home as well. If you get the area taken care of right away, the problem will not be so bad. Call a specialist at 864-990-4836 today to discuss your damaged roof.